So why do we call it selling with ease? Well, clearly if I'd called a book selling is quite difficult, few people would have bought it. But it's an acronym that stands for this: earn the right, ask the appropriate questions, solve the problem, and execute the solution. And whenever I go in to talk to people about sales training with sales directors or HR, the conversation always turns around to what our sales team need to do is to close more deals. If we close more deals, we get more business. That's sort of true. But the thing is, if your objective is to close a sale, if that's the whole purpose of starting the conversation, then surely your close starts right at the beginning. Your close isn't confined to the last second of the sale, and there will be plenty of people here that tell you there's some level of Jedi Mind Trick for salespeople. But honestly, let me tell you, I haven't got it and they haven't got it, and it doesn't exist. You know, you will buy this is not a line in anybody's book that works. To be fair, if you did have some level of sales mind control, I doubt if anybody would be giving it away free at a sales expo.